have joined us through YouTube. We welcome you all again to Medicine channel. Uh, on continuance of the Medicine Career Compass 2024, we have one more special session which is close to our heart. And before that, we have a small announcement to make. We are starting an Achievers Revision Marathon, an initiative of Medicine. To elaborate on that, I sincerely request Dr. Raghunandan Ramanathan to take over the session.
Thank you, Parthiban. Thank you so much. I welcome our today's speaker and our chief advisor, Dr. Jamuna Rani ma'am. It's wonderful to have her once again in our channel, and this time it's going to be a wonderful start for us because than starting with career guidance, than stopping with just career guidance, now we are starting with one more step ahead, mentoring our own juniors, our own friends who are going to write their second year exams. So this initiative is taken under the guidance of Jamuna ma'am, and this is going to be wonderful help for the students, those who are going to write their exam. So probably I'll take just 10 minutes, 5 to 6 minutes to brief you guys about how we are going to go. And moving forward, the advice from Jamuna ma'am will be there. And followed by this, our wonderful session for today, which was planned initially, that is going to be our career guidance discussion of pathology will be started. So thank you so much, ma'am, for joining with us today. So to move ahead, dear juniors, welcome to the Achievers Revision session. This is inspired from our previous experience with 2019 batch where we conducted this mentorship session for the final years, and that was receiving a huge response from the students, which helped them to achieve their exam. So this time we thought of starting with you guys because many messages came from 2022 batch for helping them, asking help in how to read, how to study, how to go forward in the next 2 months. And possibly just now I got a message in our group that the professional exam schedule is out from Tamil Nadu MGR University. I'm not sure whether this is a correct schedule, but probably this will be the timing. Probably in the December month we will have the exam, so we prepared our schedule accordingly. So moving forward with how to use the planner, which I'm going to send at the end of 5 minutes of talk. I'll be sending you in the group which we have created for achievers alone. I'm not going to spam in the existing group where we will be usually sending all the materials for you to study. This group which we have created will be exclusively for the students, those who really wanted to join our planner and those who wanted to stay focused. So this planner is especially created to foster a independent habit. We are not going to feed you with lessons, with lectures, etc. This is going to be a planner where you guys are going to focus, but definitely we are there to follow up with you to know where you are and to help you to clear your doubts. So I request everyone, those who are going to use this planner, to stick with the schedule, dedicate focused hour for each subject without distraction. We have scheduled according to the needs, according to the we have distributed the timing accordingly how a schedule should be after discussing with our mentors. And we will be sending you custom Marrow modules as well as custom test. Both will be there. Those who are not using Marrow, we will also send a custom test which will be created by our team and will be sending. So access your understanding on every day according to what you are and track your progress. If you miss some topic, we are given you a backlog days also. So you can check the timetable at the end of the day, at the end of this session. So you can follow that. The session starts from tomorrow. And very important rules which you have to follow is daily study hours. You have to dedicate yourself. Don't cramp your topics at the end. So try to stick on with the planner to avoid burnout before the exam. We have allotted backlog days at the end of each subject. Try to build into the schedule and use them to catch up what are the topics you have left out. And participate in the custom quiz, which we are going to post every day in the group. That is for your benefit. And finally, custom test and assignments are there, as I told you. Follow it. It is going to help you to access where you are standing. It is not to identify your mistakes. It is the place where you're going to identify the mistakes. It is not going to show you that you are weak. It is going to help you to build your foundation where you are lagging so that you can successfully complete your exams. And finally, we have mentors. We have Dr. Jamuna ma'am for pathology. For microbiology, we have Dr. Varsha ma'am. And for pharmacology also, we will be having a faculty who will be in that group itself. You can ask any questions to them in the group. And we will also have some live sessions in between, whichever topics you felt difficult, you have filled the Google form. We will accordingly have some sessions also in the middle, and you will be paired up with the mentors in the group who will be tracking your progress. So if you have any doubts, any problem, anytime you can message to us in the group so that we will be helping you and guiding you. And this is how our session timetable will be for the next 35 days. We are going to stick with this timetable. So we are going to start from tomorrow and ending it on 20th of November. So probably if it is going to be in the December 2nd week or first week, 20th of November, we are going to complete the 2 cycles of revision. This is the first cycle of revision. At the end, I have allotted 4 days each subject for again revising on the second cycle. And from the 20th, you can start with your third cycle of revision. And our groups will be open till your exam. You can ask any doubts in the meanwhile. If you have, you can just ask for us, ask for the doubts. And this is how microbiology, pathology, and pharmacology is divided. We have scheduled the topics. We have seen how much you can read for a normal average person. Accordingly, we have divided the topic. So I request you to kindly stick on to the topic. And finally, stay consistent. Consistency is the key. It is not that even a topper at the end, if he is not consistent, he can fail. Even an average scorer, if he is going to be consistent in the next 35 days, he is going to top the exam, and he can even get a university rank if you are going to complete it on the daily basis. Focus on the goal. We have a coordinator. You can take a screenshot of his number. If you have any problem in the middle, you can just contact him. And finally, I request you to take a screenshot of this. You can scan yourself the Zoom link as well as the WhatsApp group link. Kindly join this WhatsApp group as well as register yourself in the Zoom, so that we don't have to send every time. We don't want to send you the link automatically. Whenever we are going to have a mentorship session in the Zoom, you will be receiving the mail from the Zoom directly to all the registered participants, so that it is easy for us as well as you to stay on timing and stay together with us in the entire preparation journey. So thank you so much once again. So I request Jamuna ma'am to introduce about give her opinion about this, and let's complete this session. Followed by this, we will be having our career guidance session for the graduates and NEET PG aspirants.
Okay, so good evening, guys. So this Achievers 2K2 batch. So this is perfectly curated for your exam preparation. I know for all the universities, the exam date as given by NMC. So the exam date is definitely in the 3rd to 4th week of December. So this is a guidelines from NMC, and all of you across India will have your examination starting at around 16th of December. So see, I generally say first year, you will be spending your time only with the first year 3 subjects. When you get into second year, your maximum time is devoted for the clinical postings. So what happens is the time given for core subjects is very less. And definitely it is very common among all the students. So you'll have a lot of apprehension and stress more than your first year in your second year examination. So utilize this group properly. We will be traveling with you. We will be individually mentoring each and every student. Any query you have, you can post it in this group itself, so that we will answer all your queries. Similarly, especially the long answer questions. Long answer questions will always be a problem-based question. So if you make the right diagnosis, definitely you get marks. But if your diagnosis is wrong, you lose the entire long answer question. So you can post those questions in the group. We'll be there to help you. We will be there to guide you on how to get the correct answer for the particular question. Similarly, MCQ also, as already suggested by our Raghu. So we'll be posting those MCQs. So you can, after reading the particular module, try out those MCQs. And definitely MCQs will help you, especially for your last minute revisions. MCQs are the great tool. So utilize this, travel with us. We are there to make your journey easier. So it is always, when you travel as a group, the journey will look very easy. If you travel individually, it will look very difficult. So we are there to travel with you and support you. So happy learning and my best wishes to each and every one of you. Thank you.